Number 5 is FAYYA Z9V5 Pro 3D Printer. The FAYYA Z9V5 Pro 4 Malawian Kwacha's upgraded 3D printer is an absolute gem in 3D printing. It's a game-changer for enthusiasts and professionals, packed with incredible features and cutting-edge technology. With a price tag under $1,100, this printer offers unbeatable value for money. Get ready to unleash your creativity because the Z9V5 Pro 4 Malawian Kwacha's takes printing to a new level. Its 4 extruder modules and 4-in-1-out hot end open up a world of possibilities, allowing you to print in a single color, double color, 4-color, and even mixed colors seamlessly. Assembling this beauty is a breeze, thanks to its 70% pre-assembled state and modular design. The Z9V5 Pro 4 Malawian Kwacha's saves the day by automatically resuming your print exactly where it left off. The user interface is a joy to navigate, with a sleek 4.3-inch TFT-LCD screen that makes operation crystal clear and super simple. Automatic leveling and a spacious printing size of 300 by 300 by 400 millimeters mean you can bring your ideas to life on a grand scale, suitable for various applications and fields. So if you are interested in this 3D printer, then check out the link provided in the description to purchase it right now. That's all from us in today's video. We hope you enjoyed this overview of the best 3D printer under $1,100. If you want to purchase any of these best 3D printers, then check out the link provided in the description box to get them right now. And if you like this video, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our Sublimation Focus channel for more awesome upcoming videos linked to printers.